Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Oakleaf Plantation local and long distance movers near me. When you are relocating to a long distance of over 50 miles from your current location, there are many things to oversee. We have competent movers that take complete charge of that. Our movers work with factors such as budget, timeline, schedule, and preference to draw out an ideal moving plan. Our movers care and pay attention to your furniture, clothes, appliances, and other belongings to prevent damage. Our moving trucks are also adequate to protect and move all your belongings over long distances. We also have licenses to transport belongings over 50 miles. If you are moving within a short distance of Oakleaf Plantation FL, we are the perfect movers for you. Our customer service is outstanding. We are a favorite of the locals because we take the time to know our clients and understand their specific needs. Moving to a new home is time-consuming and draining, but we are competent enough to speed up the process. We respond instantly to inquiries and questions. Despite our unique and efficient service, we have budget-friendly rates. Our hourly rate is around $30 to $40. Effective service at cheap rates is the luxury we offer. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oakleaf Plantation moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.